Hello, and welcome to day two of me traveling around Manila. And आज मैंने सोचा था I'll get out a little bit early. I'll get more things done, probably visit more places. I even made an itinerary yesterday with the help of Gemini. But I went for the breakfast at time, but I don't know मैं तब से क्या कर रही हूँ. I've been just trying to empty my phone and trying to talk to my mom. So I got late again, and I think it's already 1:30 p.m. and I'm not even ready yet. I've just changed, and I'm going to, do something with my face, take all my stuff, and go out. So I still have to get the money exchange. I got my SIM yesterday, but I couldn't get the money exchange. So I'm first of all, I'm going to get the money exchange. Then I'm going to recharge my new SIM using that cash because you apparently can't recharge online using your forex cards and all. After this, I am planning to visit this Mitsukoshi Japanese mall. I've heard it's beautiful, so I'll go there. I also have to go to convenience store or a mall and get a few things. I actually need a bigger bag where I can keep my stuff, and I probably need flats because the ones that I wore yesterday, they gave me shoe bite. Lots and lots to do. Just get ready and we'll head out. So I'm ready and I'm finally heading out. This is what I'm wearing. I'm also wearing shoes. Please ignore my stuff. And I'm also carrying this huge umbrella and my UV jacket. I've heard that you get UV protection umbrellas here. So if I find some, I'm going to buy that. But for now, इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. तो मनी एक्सचेंज कराने और सामान लेने आई हैव कम हियर टू दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड markets. I forgot. This is one of the cheaper and smaller malls here, and you get everything whatever you want. And this down there is the sale area. यहाँ पे announcements चल रही हैं. There are crazy sales going on, and it's very crowded. There are a lot of queues, so it was just good to look at from far. मैंने नीचे जाने की हिम्मत नहीं की. Then I came to this stationery shop to buy a notebook, and this was really cute. There were Japanese stationery available जो देख के मन करता है कि सब उठा के ले जाओ. It was so such cute items. And then I was just checking out a few other stores here, and this is a 3-story store here called Metro Markets, which has everything from furniture to crockery items to flowers, everything in one shop. And there's alcohol being sold on 7-Eleven and normal convenience stores, which is alien to me. Then I stopped by this really good shop for coffee. The view was very nice. I could see people going around. I'm back to my hotel. I'm waiting for Prashant. He'll get free. It's around 6. And then we'll together head out somewhere. I couldn't get my phone recharged. Nobody understands the word recharge here. I kept asking random people. I even asked somebody who was selling smartphones, how do you recharge your SIM? I asked, how do you recharge your SIM? How do you top up your SIM? So nobody understands that, and I think they call it load or something. I am not sure. So my best option is to go back to the store from where I bought my SIM and ask them to help me. There is a machine where you can choose the plan and put some cash in. Now I have cash, I can do that. So it's really weird that nobody understands recharge and top up. The coffee I bought, the shop was really nice. The view was really good. There were some houses. I'm going to find out like if they're residential. It was something called dry Americano. And there were 3 flavors. What I initially thought was that they're going to put a slight flavor in my Americano. I don't drink coffee with milk or sugar, but turns out this is exactly like, it's like a regular coffee. There is some creamer and there's a lot of sugar and hazelnut flavor. So I am not drinking this. I'll wait for Prashant. He'll come and finish. He finishes everything that I cannot finish. So that's some perks of having a husband. He'll eat all your leftover food. Just bought this water bottle for Prashant and this notebook for him because he wanted it. Didn't get anything for myself because I feel like I don't need anything right now. I may buy some skincare, makeup when I leave. I've also seen that people here are big on beauty, as in nail extensions. There's shops for eyebrow lamination everywhere. There's salons. So I think people get all that done a lot. The skin clinics. I've also seen people here have done a lot of hair treatment like colors and streaks. So we are headed to dinner. हमने एक new place ढूंढी है जिसमें Mexican food मिलता है. So we are headed there. Say hi. So I changed my top because मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था रात के हिसाब से, तो मैंने वापस ये पहन लिया. First I'll recharge my stupid SIM and then we'll go for dinner. This place is called Agave and it has Mexican food and the vibe is very fun. The local people, mostly youngsters, everybody's having their drinks, their unlimited margaritas, and the food mainly is like tacos, burritos. This is not the most upscale restaurant, but you cannot go to upscale restaurants every day, and it's always good to experience the local vibe where people hang out every day, and for that purpose this place was lovely. There's a lot of glare coming up in my back camera of my phone, which I later discovered why. और अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि घर जाने की जगह let's just walk और आगे तक जाके आते हैं. This is another mall here. It has a store called Landmark. I've not been there. It's probably membership only. There are a lot of clubs in this area as well. So it's very humid, but मेरे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ये देखो मेरे नाच हुआ है पसीने में. अब हम वापस होटल वॉक कर रहे हैं. टुमारो इज अ लीव यार. ऐसा हम तो मैं जितने 2 दिन से प्लान करी यहाँ जाऊंगी वहाँ जाऊंगी. मुझे लगता है तू कहाँ ले गया मुझे.
सब जगह ले गया. मैं वहाँ से डर हो रहा था.
I initially actually thought कि
My Samsung is better than yours.
Yeah, actually thought this is because K17 आ गया है and my phone got updated and it's not working. But now I realize कि मेरा शायद मैंने कैमरा पे जो कवर्स लगाए हुए हैं वो बहुत पुराने हो गए हैं and they are reflecting light. तो इसलिए इतनी गंदी मेरी बैक कैमरा की वीडियोस आ रही हैं. And that's it. We ended the day and went back home and slept really nicely because we walked around 18,000 steps and maybe 7 to 8 kilometers. And I'll see you in another vlog very soon. Till then, okay, bye.